Today we're making a Thai cashew chicken stir fry. This is a tangy sweet stir fry with an addictive crunch with the cashew nuts and super quick and super yummy. So let's go. I have 300 grams of chicken here, cubed. We are giving this a simple marinade of white pepper, cornstarch, and light soya sauce. While you let that marinate, let's prepare the other ingredients. I have dried chilies here. If you don't have this, it's okay, just omit it. But if you do have dried chilies, give it a wash and add boiling water to it to rehydrate it for about 10 minutes. Cut it into smaller pieces. Let's prepare our seasoning sauce bowl. In a bowl, I have some tomato sauce here. To that, I am adding a chili sauce. Now, I'm using Thai sweet chili sauce, but you can use sriracha as well. Add according to your spice tolerance. Light soy sauce. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of water because I do want a little bit of gravy with this. Before adding in sugar, as well as cornstarch. Give that a nice mix. Then you'll need cashew nuts, of course. Now I'm using roasted salted cashews here. You can use the raw ones as well. And now time to cook. Heat up oil in a pan. And then we are searing the marinated chicken first. Once you get a nice sear on both sides, I'm going to be drizzling in some sesame oil, chopped garlic, as well as the dried chilies, and give those a nice stir through. If you're using raw cashews, then you add it in at this point as well. Once you can smell the dried chilies, I'm tossing in my cashews. Next, I'm tossing in onions, as well as chopped green beans here for added color. And finally, I add in my seasoning sauce bowl. Stir that through and get that all nice and incorporated. If you want a bit more gravy here, feel free to add in more water. Once the chicken is cooked through and the sauce bubbles and thickens, you are done.